Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you some alternatives to the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit. This kit is the Battered Up kit, is the theme, so a baseball theme. So lots of masculine ideas in here. So this kit has got enough stuff to make 9 different cards, and these are the 3 cards that they give you instructions for, with all the detailed information there. The instruction sheets are much more involved than they used to be. There's also a little sneak peek as to next month, June's Paper Pumpkin. And what's exciting about the June Paper Pumpkin is that we're actually going to get 2 the classic Stampin' spots. So these little ink. I have no idea what the colors are going to be. And there'll be a stamp set. And it's coming in a colorful collectible box. So looking forward to that. There's going to be enough stuff in there to create 9 cards and coordinating envelopes. And by the looks of the sides here, it looks like it's going to be some purples and pinks and stuff in there. So the kit also came with dimensionals, some little adhesive dots. Okay, and where it was a baseball theme, it also came with some bubble gum. It did include the Night of Navy Stampin' spot. There was some basic white twine. This was the stamp set that was included in this. Lots of baseball themes there, so lots of stuff to do for mail. There was also some of these little decorative dots in the red and the yellow. There was 9 envelopes. So that they're all the same there. There was some die cuts, these for a small sentiment, and then these ones here. As you can see, all the baseball themes. So I found it a little bit of a challenge to try and come up with some alternatives to this at the beginning. I personally am not into baseball, but I know many people are, so it was a struggle. But I managed to come up with some stuff. So this was one of the cards that they gave instructions for. Okay, and you could change whoever you wanted, father, grandpa, son, uncle, that sort of thing. This was another one. And this was the third that the instructions were for. So some of my alternatives for this, I used the baseball and the hat stamp to create an edge, and just carried on down there. This one here you could do for any male or female, just for best friend. Okay, here was another one for a friend that I did. Again, all I was doing was taking some of the base, like the base of the card here, and I just cut one up and I used it on a couple different cards. Here's another one that I had used the cut up of it and stuck it in there. Oops, my ribbon didn't stay. Let's stick that back in. And I just used some other ribbon that I had as well, actually from a previous Paper Pumpkin set. And then this one too, that same black ribbon, and I decided, seeing as Father's Day was coming up, that I would make one for Dad, and made it into a bit of a badge. So I hope you've enjoyed this video showing you some alternatives to the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit. Happy stamping!